This is the aerator pump. Yes. So in the aerator pump, there's a need for it to have an air tube. This is air tube that will be sucking the air from outside and pushing it in the water. So this other nozzle. So I have perforated this hole. I perforated this hole with this soldering arrow. Then the air tube can sink this way. So we connect it here. And then it will be this way. So it will be the water like this. The water will be sucking from here and pushing it here with the bubbles. Now there's a need to get something that can hold this pump like this in the pond. There are many ways you can do that, but here I'm going to use these PVC pipes to make a simple hand frame that can hold it. So you can watch out. You'll see how best we can do it together. Now, earlier on, I measured the depth of the pond, and then it was 43 here. So I'll cut the 43 here. So having gotten this, let me cut two pieces. So I'm going to have it a map like this. So now I need L, elbow, and T. Yeah. So with this, I'm going to cut small. So what I'm going to do is that I have to glue here. I want to make the handle, so keep watching. Make a handle. So I'll just cut a small piece here. You might not understand until I'm done with what I'm doing. You'll get it clear. So watch the end. So I cut a little longer here, long one. This way it's going to hang. If you want to complete everything, I have a course on that will give you details, because this I connected for aquaponics, but the processes are the same. So now okay. So now to hang this way, so I have to know where the water level will be, then I can join it there. So this is how it's going to be. Hey. Now it has reached. I need it to go and sink here. So from here to there, I have to cut that out. Yes. So I need another tea. Prepare what I'm going to do. I want it to be at the opposite direction. Hmm. Press it this way. Hmm. You get the idea. Keep watching. Now you have seen the idea. This is how it's going to be in the pond. So this way you can easily remove and clean it. But note, you see that it has entered directly. Sometimes if it's a bigger pond or even with a small one, but the nozzle is too big, sometimes it may not enter. So you have to use fire to expand here, then it can enter. But this one it fixed. But even if you're not careful, it will be shaken. But once it is working effectively, and there's no problem. So this is how it's going to be in the pond. Because of the chemicals of the glue, I will not fix it in right now. And also we don't also have electricity right now. We are still working on the electricity, but these pumps consumes less. If I say electricity, don't let that to frighten you. It consumes less electricity. Now I'll finish making my aerator pump. So what I'll just do is that I will put it in here. We are waiting for electricity to get connected to the place. Yes. So this is it. If the light is connected, then I'll put it inside. Now it is sitting. So this is how it's going to work. Let me show it to you. So if you can see the pump, so let the light comes, then we connect it and then see how it will work. So it will be pushing the water. The water will not be stuck. Yes, this is aeration. So how to connect aerator pump. I hope that was inspired. Can you subscribe to this channel? You can check out our DIY Bristol Aquatic System course in the description.